Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About number 18, that is about number 9 plus number 9. So this one, that is about identities. So we have s plus number 3 everything to the power of 2. So in this one, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 3 equals to number 3 times t. Because if I put this one goal here, we have number 9 times t square, number 9, we can do about factorization. Times t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Next, because we still have s, so I will put number 3 go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one I will put in here. S we change for this one. Dx we change for this one. So this one, we have number 9 times t square. So number 9, we can do about factorization. So this one, that is about secant of t square. Next, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. And that is about 1 over 3. So number 3 multiplied by this one. And we have number 9 times t and negative number 9. So number 3 multiplied by this one and this one. So negative number 9, negative number 5, we have negative 14. And tan t, that is about sin t over cosine t. So the integration of this one, that is about negative number 9 fn of the absolute value of cosine t. The next one, that is about negative 14t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.